Yes, hello and welcome to my little podcast on why taking a SAS specialization. This presentation has lots of generic content about this topic, but it is specifically done for the Lucerne University of Applied Sciences and Arts, and here for the master program that is named Master of Science in Applied Information and Data Science. My name is Markus Grau. I'm responsible here for the academics program. Let me give you first a couple of information about SAS, what SAS stands for, how it is positioned in the market, what our customers are doing with SAS. I think this is relevant as you want to maybe take this SAS specialization. And so I will present you a couple of slides here about this topic. First, about external validation. Usually I show here the graphs where SAS is positioned at the upper right quadrant, more or less in every of those quadrants that are relevant for data science. I'm not allowed to here due to compliance reasons, so I just named where we earned some awards, and you can have a look yourself in this link that I positioned. What is relevant here is not the position in the upper right quadrant, in the leader quadrant. What is important is that you are consistent in this leader quadrant, and we are consistently there for the past 10 or more years in the various quadrants that are needed for data science. So, for example, as data management or machine learning or model management, all the stuff in a full stack data science environment is needed, and we are positioned as a leader there. This is also the reason and the importance why SAS clients have chosen SAS. What we're doing is everything that is related to data science and making value out of data. So you have somewhere raw data, you need to bring it into a format that makes sense. For that, you need a toolbox with technologies that we generated ourselves in the past 40 years. You see them here listed. We bundle these technologies to solutions like customer intelligence, risk management, fraud and security intelligence, Internet of Things, but actually many more in the various industries, for example, drug development in the life science industry and so forth. And these solutions are then positioned towards data scientists, but not only, also business analysts and line of business, as they need to make decisions too. They need to have approachable solutions that gives them the chance to use this functionality without actually being a deep statistician. Also here, usually I would show lots of logos. Due to compliance reasons, we are not allowed to. So nevertheless, I can give you a couple of names and generic content in voice. So you see here 92 of the top 100 companies on the Fortune 1000 list use SAS. This is a powerful statement. If we break it down to the DACH area, I can certainly say that most of the Swiss insurance companies use SAS for rate-making purposes. Most of the Austrian banks use SAS in risk management. Most of the big retail companies, as for example Migros and Coop, use SAS. The biggest retailers, generic, as Nestle, use SAS in forecasting. So actually there is no industry where SAS is not used. As I said before, drug development, the biggest life science companies use SAS. So when you want to make value out of data, it is more needed than just a couple of open source functionalities. So you need to have a platform below, and this is what SAS is all about. My functionality here, or what we are doing here with universities, is of course bringing this triangle together. SAS as a technology vendor, our clients that need resources, of course, and applied sciences universities as HSLU is. Of course, they bring studies to the students, and so we want to be there. We want to bring in learning platforms, certifications, use cases, partnerships, so that everybody in this triangle can profit around those things, and our clients have best of breed technology and resources on its hands. So we have also academic partnerships, as we have it with the Hochschule Lucerne, with this master program. We have others. These are just a couple of examples. In Austria are the other two where we have other partnerships. So what is this certification all about that we are providing here at Hochschule Lucerne? Of course, it's about SAS software. We have a learning platform that is free of charge for students. And of course, it's about certification. One of these platforms, SAS Via for Learners, is what you see here. This is what you will use, this state-of-the-art framework that uses all the technologies that are needed in data science. So for example, text analytics, for example, as I named it before, visual analytics, statistics, visual data mining, all the stuff needed, but also programming, of course. SAS has no programming language behind, but you can also program with open source, with Python, with R, and Lua, Scala, what you actually want. The certification program, SCIP, SAS Certified Young Professionals, as we call it, consists, of course, of this software, but also consists of e-learning, of a workshop, of preparation to the certification itself, and to the exam. So that it is actually needed that you do these e-learnings, use the practice on the Via for Learners platform, do the preparation for the certification, and actually do the certification. And you must pass that you earn the 3 ECTS per module. So this is quite important to know. So the e-learnings itself will take you in between 14 hours and 28 hours, dependent on the module you take. But also you need to do practice afterwards, and you need to prepare for the certification. So I think all in all, you end up somewhere at 80 hours, and this is what is needed for the 3 ECTS. For this master program, we have chosen the 2 modules, Visual Business Analyst and the Machine Learning with SAS. Both are state-of-the-art, both are included in this Via for Learners platform, and both make perfectly sense for nowadays. You have also the possibility to learn SAS programming if you want to, but as you are requested to have R skills and Python skills, I would recommend these 2 actually. If you want to earn this joint certification, you also need to do a master thesis in SAS, or that consists of SAS. The good thing is we will support you here. The good thing is we will provide you technology, of course. We even will provide you support with pre-sales resource from SAS. And also, if it is a good master thesis, you have the opportunity to show it on one of our SAS forums that we do every year, and where you actually have a stage where you can showcase your master program. And this is certainly good for you, so that you can position yourself and maybe get a really good job. Because at these SAS forums, we have around 500 in Switzerland to about 1,500 people in Germany that are there, that are interested in these topics, that are SAS clients, and this is certainly of advantage for you as well. Yes, this year, due to COVID-19, we don't have a physical forum. We only have a virtual forum, or we had the virtual forum on the 28th of May, so it already happened. However, there is a mediathek behind. You can go to this link, register yourself, make a SAS profile, and you can see all the presentations from SAS, from our partners, and from clients. There are lots of success stories, what they do with SAS as well. And I think this might be relevant for your decision as well. Last but not least, I want to say that SAS resources usually earn more money. They usually have the more interesting and more responsible jobs than other data science do, due to the fact that clients that use SAS, they have a broad mind. They use broad technologies. They want to go deep. They want to make value over the whole company, not just in one specific project or topic, but over the whole company. And for that, you need a platform like SAS. And this is also the reason why I would suggest take this SAS certification. It will be beneficial for you. There's always lots of open jobs. Here, for example, at the job.ch page, this was actually end of 2019. Of course, now with COVID-19, with this corona pandemic stuff, jobs have decreased at the moment, but this will go up again. So there are lots of interesting jobs around. So, and this is all about, you should take the specialization, of course, for your benefits. And yeah, there are jobs around. That's it from my side. I just wanted to give you a short overview of this specialization. There is more content on the Hochschule Lucerne page, on this web page of this master program. And if you have additional questions, just drop me a mail, connect on LinkedIn, or give me a call, and we can have a look at this topic. I wish you lots of success, and if you take the specialization, we will see each other soon. Thanks very much, and till soon. Bye-bye.